All right, it is now August 7th. Recap on the trade for this morning, New York session. So, as you can see, this is what ended up happening. But I think I did a great job applying my my mentality. What I did, we drew a trend line here. Let's see what happened overnight. And around 4 o'clock, it made the high of the day for breaking this trend line on a 30-minute. And so, what always happens? What do we say that happens? We say that in the morning, when this happens, there will be a manipulation before it actually goes where it's intended to go. And that's exactly what happened. Marked here a news low only because I'm following iFVG stuff. But if we go down, we're here at the 15-minute now. See the trend line break. Originally, I figured, okay, if it probably manipulates, I'm gonna ride it back down. So that is what happened. Ended up happening. Let's go to when the open actually occurred here. I took two trades. One of them, let's see here. As you can see, here's a trend line break, and then it will go down to a 4-hour low. Actually, before that, let's go to the 4 hours. Geez, where did it go? All right, so the 4 hours showed originally here that here's a order block here for the 4 hour, and then a big 4 hour fair value gap. So I figured, okay, if it's gonna come down, it's gonna come down at least to the midpoint of the FVG. So we can go ahead and mark that like so. Yeah, so that's what that was. Let's look at the 2-minute. Okay, around the same, right? So if I were to mark, let's say I were to mark the 2-minute, the midpoint of the FVG, it would be that. And so now we go to the 1 hour. So as of that point, everything was still bullish. All right, let's go down to the 1 minute. Okay, so yeah, just recap on what happened here. Okay, so price started here, came up, it swept this level, it came down. This is where I entered. There was actually also a 2-minute iFVG, so I wanted to wait for that. The iFVG closed down here, so I ended up taking this, knowing that price will probably be getting tapped here. If it does tap here, it'll probably be going back up. So that's what happened. Wrote it down for a 1-to-1. Then coming up, it did leave behind a FVG, a 1 and a 2-minute. So I figured, okay, cool. I'll go in with the 2-minute FVG, and this is what happened up here, and this is where I took this to end here. Came out with 1.63. Yes, I know the move. The real move was when the 15 broke this level here, which ended up happening, as you can see. See here. As you can see here, the 15 broke this level. Probably not even the 15, but the 30. Let's look at the 30. Yeah, see, the 30 broke this level. So this is at 7 or 7:30 actually. Okay, so I was already off the charts then. But the point is, whenever you have a trend line break overnight, expect that price is still gonna go up in order to manipulate, just to come way back down. So how I could frame a trade like that could be just patience. So you take it up and then you come down and you just wait it out. Yeah, either for a super conservative, you can wait it out until you get a close below this level. And then or you could look for an entry signal up here. Uncommon entry signal, that's a 1, 2, 3 minute FVG. Or just for extra confirmation, once you get here, you're looking for maybe a bounce, a pullback, what we call a PRC. Pullback, rejection, and close. So let me show you where that probably happened. So this close happened under here. And you see this. So we've got a triple bar set up. We've got to pull back into it. And then we've got to close below. So what we could have done here is just pull back into the 5. And then take a trade like this. See? Does something like that. And then move it down to the next target here. Something like that. All right, good trade today.